I'm Nick, and this is my son Tristan. If this is the first time you've watched any of our videos, we want to say thank you for joining us. Tristan and I together are building, in our opinion, and we might be a little bit biased, but the coolest overland camper together. He's been helping me all along. He's learned a lot of things. If you go back to some of our earlier videos, you can see him welding. This was basically the first time that he ever welded. I think he welded a couple little things at the shop once before, sticking stuff together, just kind of getting a feel for it. But he did a decent amount of welding on this camper, and he's helped me through every step along the way.
And I did a good job.
You did do a good job. You helped me with the windows, every part that we've done so far. Some wiring connections, air conditioning install. We do have 12-volt battery-powered air conditioning on our Overland camper that also does heat. 12-volt max air fan. We're gonna have 600 amp hours of batteries, at least 500 watts of solar power on it. This is the part we're working on right now, our back door. We are getting ready to put some Raptor Liner on the outside soon, so we have to get everything finished up on the outside, and then we're gonna move back to the inside. What's different about our door than a lot of campers is the way it operates. So I have the big part of the door in here right now, and we have a big door because Tristan wants to be able to haul his four-wheeler in here.
Yep.
So we needed a wide door for that. But when you're using it as a camper, you don't really want to have a gigantic swing down door that you have to open and close all the time to get in and out while you're camping. So we built it so it will have a smaller man door in the middle. If you're wondering how we're going to have our sleeping arrangements in here, it'll actually be one big king-size bed. We build a two-piece king-size bed system that folds up against the walls when you're traveling or have something big like a four-wheeler inside. And then when you pull the four-wheeler out, you just flip the beds down or one bed down, and you can make a continuous king-size bed. Something that's different about the way we did our back door is rather than making it a tailgate that's a ramp for the four-wheeler to go in, because then it would be real heavy, we decided to make it so it's more like an awning. So it'll flip up in the air when we want to pull something in. So that's kind of unique and different. And then the man door will just stay closed all the time whenever you're flipping it up. We just tried our fitment for the very first time. It fits in the opening. The gaps are a little bit wonky, but they're pretty good. So we're going to adjust this trim that the door butts up against in and out a little bit to make our gaps perfect.